Okay, Grand Rising and happy Friday to my chick babes, Lux babes, and fur babies. So we have a what? Amazon Prime unboxing. Yes, we do. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day so far. It is so beautiful outside. I just finished walking Miss Coco. We're going to go to the doggy park around 9:15. So probably right after we do this video. So I was looking at my iPhone. Y'all know I just got the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And if y'all watch my latest video, I did my unboxing. I have the new Apple Watch Series 8. Stay tuned for my video. Oh, I love this watch. This is a major upgrade, okay? So anyway, I was looking at my iPhone, the lens, and I thought I had cracked my iPhone. But I kept pulling at the bottom of it, and I was like, I know good and well I had a protector on here. And thank goodness it was just the protector that was cracked and not my actual lens. So what did I do, you all? I went and ordered some more glass screen protectors, okay? Okay. Let's see. Here. Camera lens protectors. Okay, they're by Jet Tech. Jetech, okay? They're for 14 Pro and Pro Max. Y'all mean these tabs, I tell you. Because I was like, if I don't hurry up and get some more screen protectors, I'm going to mess around and drop my phone where the protector is already cracked, and then my lens will be cracked. I wasn't going to have that. So here we are. Okay. Stop. It's one of the wipes. I had to grab it from Coco before she get her mark on it. Okay. And this comes up also. And this is removal sticker. Okay, let's see. So we have several of those. They gave me several of those in this. Okay, let's see what all we have in here. So we have 3 packs of these. Wipes for your lens. So it should be at least 3, lens in here. Protector lens. And I got these for like less than $10. I think they were like $6.99. $6.99. Yeah. So I got 3 packs of these. Okay, come with wipes and the cloth. Okay. And let's see. Okay. You have to do the installing, and you could also do product warranty. I have to make sure that I do those things because sometimes I forget, so I'm going to make sure I do that before the end of the day. Okay. And yes, so we have 3, y'all. We have 3 of these, okay? So if y'all don't have any, y'all make sure y'all go to Amazon and order you some. You will thank yourself, because you never know when you're gonna drop your phone. Just like you need a screen protector, you need your lens protector as well, okay? Yes. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in here. No, it's not anything else in here, okay? And if you don't want to order from Amazon, you could go to ijettech.com, ijettech.com, okay? And order them. You will thank yourself. You will thank yourself. Because, even though I have the warranty on my phone, but still, I didn't want to have to go through all that. So you want to protect your accessories, especially iPhone, because they cost, okay? They're a gem, but you want to protect them. So thank you all for tuning in to this video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos by Chick Babes, Lux Babes, and Fur Babies.